Tom is a cheerful boy who lives with his family in a small town. He likes routines and he likes learning new things. One morning, his little sister Anna asked him, "How often do you wake up early, Tom?" Tom smiled. "I always wake up early," he said. "I wake up at 7 o'clock every day." Tom always makes his bed after he wakes up. His mother asked, "How often do you make your bed?" Tom answered proudly, "I always make my bed." He usually eats eggs and cheese for breakfast. Anna asked, "How often do you drink milk?" Tom said, "I sometimes drink milk, but I usually drink juice." He never skips breakfast because he wants to be strong. At school, his friend Ali asked, "How often do you listen to the teacher?" Tom replied, "I always listen to the teacher." His teacher smiled and asked, "How often do you finish your homework on time?" Tom answered, "I usually finish my homework on time." During break time, Ali asked again, "How often do you play football?" Tom laughed. "I usually play football, but I sometimes play tag. And how often do you fight?" Ali joked. Tom shook his head. "I never fight." After school, Tom goes home and eats lunch. His mother asked, "How often do you help me?" Tom said, "I sometimes help you set the table. And I usually clean my room." His father asked, "How often do you watch cartoons?" Tom answered, "I sometimes watch cartoons, but I never watch TV all day." In the evening, Tom reads a book. He usually reads adventure stories. He sometimes reads comic books. Before bed, Anna had one last question. "How often do you brush your teeth?" Tom smiled. "I always brush my teeth." "How often do you sleep late?" Tom laughed. "I never sleep late." Tom likes his routine. He knows good habits are important. Every day he tries his best, and he is happy. Now it's your turn. How often do you wake up early? How often do you do your homework? How often do you watch TV?